So let's see about SLAs in ServiceNow. So the full form of the SLA in ServiceNow is Service Level Agreement. So S stands for service, L stands for level, A stands for agreement. Okay. So let's see what is SLA in ServiceNow. Okay, in ServiceNow, SLA stands for, as we know, Service Level Agreement. So it is a contract or agreement, okay, so between a service provider and a customer that defines the expected level of services, including metrics such as response time, resolution time for incidents, request or task. Okay, so this is main agenda of SLA in ServiceNow. So the table name, okay, the table name of SLA in ServiceNow is contract underscore SLA. Okay, the things will store in this table. Okay, the SLA related things, everything. Okay, so the table name of SLA in ServiceNow is contract underscore SLA. Okay, so in ServiceNow, SLA typically includes so SLA definitions. Okay, so SLA conditions and SLA types. Okay, so let's see next. So let's see one by one. So in SLA definition, it specifies the condition under which SLA is applied. Okay, like a particular priority or assignment group. So what I mean means the SLA definition, it specifies the SLA. It should apply in such conditions. Like for example, if incident is priority, so then the SLA needs to start define like that. So this is SLA definition. So SLA conditions. So in SLA we have three main conditions. Okay, first is start condition, second one is stop condition, and third one is pass condition. So start condition means the SLA timer starts. Means for example, if you're putting any alarms. Okay, so telling an example. So like that, so the SLA timer start when an incident is created or assigned. For example, if an incident is created, at that time we will define some SLA. At that time we need to start an SLA like that. So stop condition. So like that we will define some conditions, some timing. Okay, some timing when should that this SLA needs to stop at a certain conditions. For example, if incident is resolved or closed, then the SLA should get stop. Okay, so this is stop condition and pass condition. Pass condition means, for example, the SLA gets started. Okay, so at first step it will get started, and this is the final step, stop condition. But in between this, if you need to pass some incident or task some anything, so at that time we will use pass condition. Okay, for example, if an incident is on hold or incident is in pending state, at that time you can define those conditions in SLA under pass condition. Okay, so these are the major three SLA conditions. One is start, stop, pass. Start is the initial stage, stop is the final stage, and pause is the middle stage. Like in between the stop and start, for if you need to pass at a certain conditions, you can use pass condition. Okay, so next we can see SLA types. So majorly we have three types of SLAs. So as we know, SLA, which is service level agreement, so which is for customers, and we have another one is OLA, operational level agreement. So which happens between internal groups. Okay, and UC. So the UC is full form is underpinning contract with external vendors. So this happens with only external vendors. Okay. So let's take one small example. Okay, like if uh, if the incident is a high priority, for example, the incident is P1 and it must be resolved within 4 hours. So for example, I have put the start condition if the incident is created, and the end stop condition is within 4 hours. Okay, so this I have defined, I have configured like this, for example, for that SLA for that incident. So for example, if incident is created at P1, okay, priority 1, P1, okay. So I have given some SLAs for that incident table. It must be resolved within 4 hours. Then what the condition means, the start condition is current time and the stop condition is within 4 hours, like that we can define there, okay. So the SLA will track that time. Okay, so if, for example, if the resolution time, we define some conditions, right? So it should be resolved this time only, like that. So if it exceeds, for example, if it exceeds 4 hours, so we have taken 4 hours, right? So if it exceeds 4 hours, for example, if the incident closed at sixth hour, then the SLA will get a breach. So means if it is 4 hours 1 minute, then also the SLA will get breach and it will show. So this is the main purpose and the main structure of SLAs. Okay, so later we will see how it will works and we will see many samples, examples, many more. Okay, yeah, thank you.